where we've just walked from the bus. That's the Ashmolean Museum there. Okay, and you'll see here across the road, Natural History Museum and Pitt Rivers Museum. Okay, so this whole area, so you are now down here. So it's only taken you 10 minutes to walk that little bit there. So this whole area is actually really small. Okay, so you can wander around the whole of the city really easily today. Okay, so what I'm suggesting is you might want to go down, here we are, to head down into the meadows, to wander around, see some of the punting on the river, and then go back up into town. These are all the pink buildings are the Oxford colleges. So these are all the really pretty colleges to look at. And then you could go from there if you wanted to, up to the Natural History Museum up there. Okay? So you do a big circle if you wanted to. And you don't all have to stay together, but it's just good to be together to start off with.
Of course.
So,
which museum was it that you wanted? University Museum of Natural History. Okay.
So that's
This way.
Yeah,
Natural History Museum.
The museum is this way.
Behind the Natural History.
No, the museum is this way, behind us.
yeah, we have map, bro.
We have a map.
This is a much bigger one.
We walk all the way.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna walk a little bit, go here.
So this might be like this. We need to go to this way. Because we came from there like this.
So now we're